statewide Amber Alert has been declared. Repeating, a statewide Amber Alert has been declared. The Huntington Police Department has requested the activation of an Amber Alert from Huntington, Indiana, which is 105 miles north of Indianapolis. The victim, Nevaeh O'Neill, is a 5-year-old white female, 4 feet 5 inches tall, 50 pounds, with brown hair and hazel eyes, and was last seen wearing blue jeans and Paw Patrol pink tennis shoes. Nevaeh was last seen on Tuesday, October 20th, 2020 at 8:15 p.m. in Huntington, Indiana, and is believed to be in extreme danger. The suspects are unknown and last seen driving a gold Ford Ranger extended cab truck with a toolbox in the bed of the truck and an unknown plate. If you have any information on this incident, contact the Huntington Police Department at 260-356-7110 or 911. This concludes the Amber Alert.